Alright guys, welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Today we have a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. And we're going to show you where the location of the battery is in this car. And not only the location of the battery, but there's some funky stuff with this battery in here. Worst flooded battery in history. So today I'm going to be doing a collab with a YouTuber by the name of Edmer's Top Shop. So you can go ahead and check him out. But I'm gonna play his clip, and here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmer's Top Shop. Here we are changing a battery on a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. Alright, let's see what we got on. Apparently on these cars, the battery's in the trunk. Alright, let's see why the battery's not turning.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here. If you want to see it, you're gonna have to go over to his channel. I'm gonna leave his description down below. And as always, on to the next. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.